Good day, everybody. Thank you for coming back on our series of YouTube of our affirmation. Now we're going to talk about simple affirmations, sleeping, learning in the sleep. Learning in the sleep. We made it specially because when we sleep, our physical body sleeps, our mind can still be active, but our soul will be doing astral travel. So we ask the soul to use the time to learn something in their sleep. That's why I say learning in the sleep. Okay? We're saying to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my higher soul, to my spiritual guide, helpers and teachers, please protect and guide me to the correct etheric school. So let's take this soul, let the soul of ours go to an etherical soul and learn something and come back again. Okay? To learn so that I can learn on what? You want to learn? What do you want to learn? For a doctor, you can say, I want to learn about the human body, about the nervous system. So lots of schools out there, there are lots and lots of spiritual guides, helpers and teachers who have got so much of experience in their life, and they will impart you that knowledge, and when you come back, you will start using them in a way you don't know. And a lot of healing teachings can happen through that way. You want to learn about healing, you can learn about headache, you can learn about anything you want. You can learn about stomach, you can learn about bacteria, you can even learn about viruses. Like that, you can also learn about economics, you can learn about agriculture, anything. What do you want? Just tell and go to sleep, and your soul will go and learn, and this knowledge is not lost. You come back, you will manifest in a way you don't know. Sometimes we're all dreaming. And sometimes we like the dream so much, we want to go back and continue the dream. If it's so nice, I met this beautiful girl, I met this beautiful man, so nice, I want to go to this beautiful place. But that's all useless. Now, learn something, do good for Mother Earth. You say, I want to learn about how can I recycle paper, how can I recycle something, how can I reduce pollution, what is there in the pollution, how do I can do that? How do I understand about the rain? How does the rain come? Where the rain must come? How can I be an instrument of God? Learn. Just say these things and automatically your soul will take the right path. The spiritual guides and helpers and teachers will come and guide your soul and go. But still a connection stays back within yourself. You will go, you will learn, and you come back, and new ideas you will start doing unknowingly. Help in your work, help in your family, help in many things. It doesn't have to be spiritual at all. You can learn. Please tell me what food can be good so that I can help people who has got thalassemia, who has got Alzheimer's, who has got Parkinson's disease. What can they eat? Go and learn and come back and help people. A lot of information can be transmitted by the spiritual guides, helpers and teachers and healing angels. Everybody has the right to go and do it. It doesn't have to be spiritual. Oh, he's spiritual, he sit down, he has done so many years of meditation. Don't worry about it. Ask and you will get. But you must use the knowledge. The more you use the knowledge, the more the divine will give you, the more divine energy, more spiritual guides and everyone will connect to you, and they themselves will come and guide you and give you the knowledge to do what is good. Okay? Please understand. There's a lot of spiritual guides, a lot of spiritual helpers, a lot of spiritual teachers who are there ready to help you if you are willing to become an instrument of God. Thank you, thank you, thank you.